At dawn, the process begins, where control replaces the wild. Only healthy specimens move forward in the chain. Containment is designed for safety, control, and calm. Every batch is logged before it ever moves. Temperature control starts from the first mile. The journey shifts from source to system. Distance compresses as precision takes over. This is where raw becomes regulated. Every entry is verified before processing begins. The factory phase is ready to begin. Entry marks the shift from transport to control. Every movement is digitally recorded. Human handling remains deliberate. Movement is engineered for calm. Surface cleaning begins immediately. Nothing is left unmanaged. Sorting defines the path ahead. Control includes rejection. Only approved material proceeds. The heart of the factory appears. Processing begins here.
Precision governs every moment.
Flow becomes continuous. Alignment ensures accuracy. Consistency replaces variability. Separation defines value. Cleanliness is reinforced. Preparation continues.
Human judgment remains vital.
Machines take the lead. Automation defines accuracy. Heat is applied scientifically. Time becomes an ingredient. Force transforms structure. Precision increases.
Balance is restored.
Uniformity is enforced. Errors are corrected instantly. Core processing completes. Precision work begins. Margins now matter. Excess is removed. Texture is shaped. Clean lines require clean finishes. Balance prevents flaws.
Human precision remains.
Specifications confirmed. Completion nears. Order precedes inspection.
Verification begins.
Every batch is tested.
Trained eyes still matter.
Testing begins.
Data confirms quality.
Safety lies unseen. Machines verify truth.
Clearance is earned. Boundaries are enforced.
Approval is marked.
Final stage awaits. Final transformation begins.
Consistency defines product.
Preservation is locked. Information travels forward.
Final protection ensured.
Units become bulk. Order prepares travel. Quality is preserved. Product leaves the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce snake meat from start to finish.